how to use Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll give you steps or things that you can use the Meta Business Suite for. Meta Business Suite is a powerful tool for managing your business presence on both Facebook and Instagram. And the first thing you must note on Meta Business Suite is that it provides a unified dashboard. Yeah, it provides a single dashboard where you can manage your Facebook and Instagram accounts together. So this is how it looks like, okay, basically. And most times you would often be asked to choose a cover photo. So a cover photo should reflect what you are doing. All right. So you can just click on add cover photo, and then you can just put in something that depicts or that showcases what you do or what you are very, very best at. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just be using a sample image as a cover photo. So after I upload the cover photo, you can see you can decide to edit your Facebook page on Meta Business Suite, and then you can also connect your Instagram if you have not. Alright, so to connect your Instagram, just click on Instagram, and then you can decide to create a new Instagram profile, or you can just decide to log in into your Instagram. Once you click on login into your Instagram, you'll be able to provide your details, fill in some particular information. Just go ahead and do that, and then your Instagram will be connected. Once your Instagram is connected, you can easily work on your Instagram and your Facebook account, making use of this Meta Business Suite. How? You can create posts and that will be posted on your Instagram and Facebook account. Same thing as ads, reels, stories, and it will go live on both Facebook and Instagram, making use of your Meta Business Suite. That's very cool, right? So, for example, when you click on create post, you can see post 2. By the time you click on this, if your Instagram account has been connected, you'll be able to tick the two options to post your photo or image. All right, and then for other options like ads, by the time you click on create ad, you will take it to another page, and then by the time you choose a goal, you can see the different goals that you can choose on this page. So by creating ads using Meta Business Suite, you can see the different things that you can do and all of that, and it's really, really cool. And again, you can still ensure that after posting this ad, it will reflect on your Instagram and then your WhatsApp account. You can see as long as you have them connected to your Facebook account. You can see how cool it is. The same thing applies to creating real stories or going live. All right, you can always do this by connecting by posting on your Facebook and Instagram. So another thing is that by making use of Meta Business Suite, you can also schedule your posts. All right, and how do you do that? I move it to the left side of the screen where you can see some options such as content and planner. Any of the two. Once you click on content, you will take it to the content page. So yeah, you can decide to also create posts or schedule your posts or wherever, making use of Meta Business Suite. Another thing that Meta Business Suite is used for is that you can also reply to all your messages from both your Facebook and your Instagram account. Once your Instagram account has been connected to your Meta Business Suite, all of the messages that you've gotten from both Facebook and Instagram will be displayed here. You can see it, Messenger, that is messages for Messenger, as well as messages from Instagram, as well as Facebook comments and Instagram comments. All of them can be replied to and viewed, making use of the Meta Business Suite. Now, another thing you can do is to make use of the business tools, all right, such as Ads Manager, Commerce Manager, event manager, and all of that. And also you can also monitor your performance metrics for your pages and posts and make use of the insight option. By the time you click on insight, you'll be able to monitor your activity so far by clicking on view insights and all of that. And then another thing that you can do is that you can invite team members to collaborate on your business account. You can assign roles based on their responsibilities. And how do you assign roles? You can assign roles by going to your all tools, and on this page, next thing to do is to just go ahead and select business, or instead you can just go to your settings account. Yes, now on the settings page you can see you can invite people, give them roles and all of that. You can manage all of this making use of your Meta Business Suite account. So Meta Business Suite is a very useful tool for business owners, and ensure you use it today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.